Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to open a Wells Fargo investment account. Let's get straight into it. So first off, you want to sign into online banking or mobile banking. So you can it could be the mobile app or it could be the website. You just sign into your account from either one of those, and once you're signed in, you want to click on investments, and then you want to select the investment products. Next, you're going to review the investment eligibility requirements to make sure that you are eligible for that. And if you are, just go ahead and fill out the investment application. Next, you want to review and confirm the investment application details. And once that's done, just wait for the investment application to be processed. Now, if you're having any questions or experiencing any challenges anywhere, you could just contact Wells Fargo's customer support, and they're gonna help you to sort those out. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open a Wells Fargo investment account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.